Want to try a supported headstand? Start with your forearms down on the ground or mat and interlace your fingers. Use the palms of your hands as a rest for the back of your head as you place the crown of your head on the mat. Use your core to lift those legs slowly up to the sky. Place the weight into your forearms and shoulders instead of your head and neck. Activate the whole body. Point those toes up towards the ceiling. Breathe and maybe try to take some transitions with the legs if it feels accessible to you. Nice deep inhales through the nose and nice long exhales out of the nose. Letting fresh blood rush to the brain and feed the mind. Namaste.